Hello everyone, this is a ping pong game created using Python's Turtle module. It is a two-player game where each player controls a paddle to hit a moving ball. The goal is to prevent the ball from passing your paddle and to score points when your opponent misses. The first player to reach 10 points wins the game. For creating the game, first of all we need to import the Turtle module. Then setting up the game window. The game window is created with a white background and a title ping pong game. The screen size is set to 800 by 600 pixels. The screen dot tracer of 0 makes the game run smoothly by reducing unnecessary updates. The function named create is used to make the paddles. Each paddle is a rectangle with a specific color, blue for the left player and red for the right player. Pen up does not leave trails when the paddle moves. The left paddle is placed at -350 and the right paddle is placed at 350. The next step is creating the ball. The ball is a small circle with black color that moves automatically. Ball.dx equal to 3 and ball.dy equal to 3 set its speed. Pen up prevents the ball from drawing lines while moving the ball. Then two variables blue and red track the scores of each player. The turtle object score_display is used to show the score on the screen. Initially, the blue and red score are set to 0. The score function updates the score every time a player wins a point. The winner function checks if a player reaches 10 points. If the blue reaches 10 points, it displays blue wins. If the red reaches 10 points, it displays red wins. The move function takes two inputs, the paddle and the direction. It first checks the current position of the paddle using the paddle.y core. If the player wants to move up and the paddle is below the top limit y less than 250, it moves the paddle up by 70 units. If the player wants to move down and the paddle is above the bottom limit y greater than -240, it moves the paddle down by 70 units. This ensures that the paddles do not move outside the game area. The next part of the code links the movement function to the keyboard. It listens for key presses using screen.listen function. The left paddle blue moves up when the player presses W and down when they press S. The right paddle red moves up when the player presses the up arrow and down when they press the down arrow. Screen.update function refreshes the screen to show the latest positions of the ball and paddles. Ball.setX of ball.x score plus ball.dx moves the ball left or right. The same happens up or down by using setY. If the ball reaches the top or bottom y greater than 290 or y less than -290, it bounces back by reversing its direction, that is ball.dy star equal to -1. If the ball reaches the right paddle and is within the paddle's range, it bounces back, that is ball.dx star equal to -1. The same happens for the left paddle. If the ball goes out of bounds, that is x greater than 390 or x less than -390, it means a player missed the ball and the opponent gets a point. If the ball goes past the right side, the left player, that is blue, scores a point. If the ball goes past the left side, the right player, that is red, scores a point. The score function updates the displayed score. The ball resets to the center and moves in the opposite direction. If either player reaches 10 points, the game stops and displays the winner. Screen.onTimer of game loop, 10 makes the function run every 10 milliseconds, keeping the game running smoothly. The score function displays the initial score on the screen. Game loop function starts the game logic, making the ball move and checking for collisions. Screen.mainLoop function keeps the game window open and ensures that it continuously listens for events like paddle movement. I will show you the output here.